Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we'll explore the Asus ZenBook and discuss why it may be deemed non-reparable. Let's begin with a breakdown of the tools you'll need for this process. For any repairs, you will need a precision screwdriver set, specifically a Phillips number 0 and number 00, a plastic spudger for prying open the device, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static damage to sensitive components. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Start by powering off your ZenBook and unplugging it from any power source. Before opening the device, ensure you're working in a static-free environment. Using the precision screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Be sure to keep these screws organized, a magnetic mat can be helpful here. Once the screws are out, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws that might have been overlooked. After the back cover is removed, you'll have access to the internal components. Next, let's focus on the internal cleaning process. Dust buildup can lead to overheating and hardware failure. Use a can of compressed air to gently blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. It's essential to do this carefully to avoid damaging delicate parts. If you notice any corrosion or residue around the battery or connectors, this may indicate a deeper issue. At this point, you might be wondering what to do if the problem persists. Here's where our services can come in handy. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, allowing you to understand the issues without any pressure to proceed. After cleaning, check the battery connections and ensure they are secure. If you find any loose connections, this could be the culprit behind your ZenBook's problems. Now, let's discuss potential issues that may deem your device non-reparable. If the motherboard shows signs of damage or if the CPU is malfunctioning, these components can be costly to replace and may not be worth the investment. Should you need a quote before repair, we can provide that as well, ensuring you have all the information needed to make an informed decision. After addressing any internal issues, carefully reassemble your ZenBook by reversing the steps we've taken. Replace the back cover and reinsert the screws, ensuring everything is tight and secure. Remember, a loose back cover can lead to further damage. In conclusion, while some issues may seem daunting, understanding the internal workings of the Asus ZenBook can empower you to troubleshoot effectively. If you find yourself in need of assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We offer a hassle-free experience with no calls and no travel, making it easier than ever to get your device back in working order. Remember, we're just a call away to help you on your repair journey. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.